I found a bird and I buried it, and this is his home.
Oh, okay. It was a dead bird? So Goo found a dead bird, so he made a burial ground, and he got the rocks and sticks and twigs for its final resting place. Is that right, Goo Goo?
Yeah.
Hey, come here.
Yeah.
Why did you do that for?
Because he deserves it.
Huh?
Because he deserves it.
Because he didn't have anybody else to help him?
Uh-huh.
And do you feel bad for the bird?
Yeah.
Because he died? All right, well, you did good, Goo Goo. You helped the little bird out. His final resting place. Yeah, life and death.
There's more birds and...
It's a cycle. All right, you want to say anything? You want to say goodbye, Goo?
Hi, guys. I played soccer.
See how high you can throw that.
Oh, wait, no, that's not what you think.
Okay, it's pretty high. Okay, see you later.